Alright guys, so if you didn't know, I've just fitted new wheels to my car and they do rub over quite extreme bumps, but they rub, so I need to get that sorted. So today we're going to be rolling my arches. I'm just going to get straight on with it. This is more of a maintenance thing compared to like my usual tasteful mod. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. It's a different one as I've said, but yeah, let's get on with it. So it is cutting the tyre, it's bouncing off of this bit and also this joint here. Don't know if the camera can pick it up. Yeah, it kind of can. Well, yeah, it definitely can. So we're gonna have to roll the arches and maybe do something about the little bumper joint. But now we're also gonna have to get it up. I bought an arch roller off eBay. Get it up, put it. Yeah. So the car's now up. I used a hard brush to clean it. You can see. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Fucking hell. I don't know if the camera's picking it. Yeah, it definitely is. Absolute mess. So just make sure it's clean because the last thing you want is to be rubbing in old dirt. So yeah, clean it. Make sure you have a heat gun so you don't chip the paint, and then just heat it up and roll it. That's pretty much the basics. Obviously I'm not going to do it because I'm very incompetent at everything. Obviously you just want to keep on doing this until you eventually see some changes. Don't go too crazy to begin with, just slowly and gradually, then it will add up. So the reason we did that is because it doesn't only rub on the arch, as I think I've said, it also rubs where the bumper joins. So we just cut that back, touch up paint if we need it, and then yeah, that should be it. The issue we found is that thread that goes down there, it didn't come with a washer and it keeps coming off the nut. We found this is our like 4th or 5th try. I think we now got it to work, so hopefully now we can just make it all flush and then I'll take it on a test drive. Alright, so they're all rolled. One's a bit more flared than the other, but I might go over it at the weekend to make it more even, but they don't rub. It rubbed once on the most extreme bump. Like when I tell you, I almost caught air on this bump. So yeah, they're completely fine. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. It was a quick one. The next one should be working on my brakes or another maintenance one. So hopefully I'll see you then. Cheers.